puppets by yourself?
No.
Somebody helped you?
Yes, my father.
Yes, he's puppet master or what?
He's the puppet master. He built the puppets.
He built the puppets.
Yes.
Yes. We are all the puppeteers.
And the stage, the Bühnenbild.
Yes, is it difficult for you to the scenery? Is it difficult to you for you to change the puppets and props so quickly? Because it was quite a dynamic show.
We had a lot of practice. Also man muss ganz schön üben. Also man muss oft eine Figur noch sprechen, während man die andere schon wechselt, um dann sofort wieder da zu sein. Also man
unten so am Fuß muss man mit dem Fuß schalten, hier die Puppe wechseln und oben spielen.
Und hier das Keyboard.
Und da das Keyboard.
Und da die E-Gitarre. Und da den Kollegen kraulen.
Ja, massieren.
Es war einmal ein Apfel. Er war so rot, dass selbst die Sonne, die schon so vieles gesehen hatte, sich darüber verwunderte, wie rot man sein kann.
We have practice for 1 month, rehearsal for 1 month in Berlin. We are from Berlin, and then we went to Gradcu, and then Monday in the morning we have premiere for the 500 kids, and we were a little bit nervous.
For the kids.
For the kids.
Oh, why?
Yeah, it's different. We have a rehearsal in a little room with a director or 2 people, 3 people, and then we have test kids, 5 kids, and now it's open air and 500. It's very different. Then we have headsets here because it's too noisy.
Sim, Sara, Bim!
Creatures in the beginning. Then I sort of migrate, they live here, but then the people from outside, from the west, come in to clean everything up and move them out of their houses. So, yeah, you can see this migration a little bit.
It's kind of a clash of cultures.
Yeah.
So the one culture is trying to help the other one, but killing him in the process. So.
Yes, but as I saw, the one who is the most helpless wins at last, or not really?
It's not a win-win situation. I think they both
Everybody loses, right?
Yeah, that's what you get if you push too hard, if you try too hard, and not listen to the other side of the story, I think.
Which scene do they find most laughable?
Oh man, it differs a lot between the audience. Sometimes old people laugh at scenes and younger people cry. Sometimes it's the other way around. Sometimes they all laugh.
The most hilarious laugh is when? At which point?
It depends on the culture also.
Yeah.
People here laugh at different things than in Holland.
Yeah.
Could you be more specific?
Well, Holland has a lot of irony. Like they laugh at when somebody gets hit. Oh, bam! Oh, and we're like, oh, that must hurt. That's Dutch, and here
they're like, oh, that hurts. That's not cool.
That's ouch.
They can walk away.
They implode more, and other things they laugh more about some things which are a little bit slower. So they need. It seems like they need a little bit more time here than in.
But that's maybe also because of the sun right in their faces.
Yeah, that could also be.
A lot of ideas, they came together, or I started to work on one point. The point was time and how to influence the perception of time. But when we started to work on it, a lot of other ideas came together with it, because if you do something about time, it's impossible not to do something about room or space.
Space, yes.
Yeah. And then if we do something about time and space, we also have to do something about gravity. And I think like music has something that is like gravity. it takes you. And so I think what I like is the people walking around during the show, and some people stay at this stage, some people stay there because they are taken by their favorite music or their favorite sound, and everybody has different favorite sounds. All the composition, like the running order, has a lot of time information in it. It includes past and future. Also the music. It's important for me that all these bands, Snö, Mitsura, Palira, and Familiatis, they work with traditional music, but they also consider electronic music or punk as traditional music because it's still changing every day. And I think music can never be something that is fixed in a certain time, but it's always changing. But especially this music that these bands make is for me very symbolic for the moment of now and ever changing.
How did you actually get together? Did you know each other from before?
I knew some of them, and I work in this field of music very often, like between traditional and modern music. And I knew the French band, I wanted to have them, I knew that. And I knew the Swedish band, I knew one guy of them, and I asked him to build a group just for this purpose. And then I surfed the web and from MySpace too, and asked friends and listened to records until I found the other two groups from Hungary and Chris, and they all said yes.